Today is the biggest step yet in the rebuild of this Porsche 944. We've spent weeks cleaning, stripping, prepping, welding and grinding and stress. But today is going to be the big turning point, and we're going to finally get some paint on all of this work that we've done. So up until today, this has basically felt more of a rescue, and today it really does start feeling like a rebuild. So we've already gone ahead, we've prepped everything, we've skipped all the boring stuff, so you don't have to watch all the old finger you do. So you've missed all of that, we've skipped past all of that, we've gone ahead, degreased everything, everything's scotched up, we've masked off where we need to roughly, it's not perfect, we're only going to be putting down a bit of primer. What I'm using a 2K epoxy because I've actually applied some Built Hamber Hydrate 18. Now this is really good stuff, and especially in the seams where you can't actually get it back to bare metal, so that stuff's great in there. And then with the epoxy primer we can paint straight over that, and that will seal it all in, and that will be lovely. So that's why we're using the epoxy, and it is also the built-in hardener, so we've got to activate that, give it a good old shake, and then we can get some on. So without further ado, let's get some spraying done. So this is the bit that I'm slightly excited about, but also and equally slightly scared about, because weeks of work could be completely wasted if I mess this up. So wish me luck.
So for this first coat of primer, I'm keeping it fairly light. I'm not trying to bury anything at this stage. It's just about getting an even base down across the whole engine bay and making sure that I cover any bare metal. A lot of what I've been doing here is actually cleaning up the original factory finish. Things like weld splatter, rough seams, little imperfections that you never really see once everything's built back up. But I've taken the time and I've gone through to remove as much of that as I can. And although we're not going full concours with this, everything I do, I want it to be better than when it left the factory. And even if you're not building a show car, proper prep still makes all the difference to how the final finish looks. So once this coat is fully cured, I'll go back and block it all down to flatten everything out and pick up any remaining imperfections. And after that I'll apply another round of primer and give it a final scuff with a grey Scotch pad. And that will give us the surface the right key, so when we go to do colour, everything is properly prepped and ready to go. I was lucky enough to spend an afternoon with a classic supercar restorer that I know, and even though we're not going concours on this engine bay, I've learnt that doing a proper prep job really makes a difference, so we ended up putting in that extra effort to get a nice solid finish.
So before we go ahead and apply the next coat of the epoxy primer, I just wanted to give you a quick update. So first off, you will notice that I'm actually holding a bit of a script here. So it's just to make sure that I cover everything and trying to keep it as real as possible with you guys. So it seemed quite serious when being like this, all formal. So as some of you might know, I've been suffering and dealing with a back injury, which has led on to now sciatica, which means I'm taking things a bit slower than usual. I'm not working full time right now, and I'm only doing a few private jobs on the side, mainly so I can focus on my health and getting on with these projects the right way and doing a proper job. So sometimes the uploads may not be every single week. It won't be every Sunday at 5 PM. I will try, and I've always tried to get videos out when I've had projects on a weekly basis. But I just wanted to be upfront about this, and I really do appreciate all of you for understanding. Yeah, I'm also going to throw in some shorter videos as well on other projects and other little bits as well in between, so it won't be every week just a Porsche video. There may be other content in between as well. So I just wanted to let you know what's going on, mainly because of my health. But we will be trying to push on with the Porsche build as much as we can, because we need to get it out of here really. And so on a brighter note, if you have been enjoying the content here and you would like to support the channel, I do have a buy me a coffee. It's linked down below. There's no pressure at all. Just watching, supporting, thumbs up, subscribing, understanding, sticking with me on this journey. You know, that goes a long way. So I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much. And next time, yes, next time we will be diving into the next step, which will be Raptor on the inner arches. Hence why we have this booth. All will be explained next time. Right, so now let's get on, get some primer in there. You can see all of that, and I'll speak to you very soon. So thank you very much. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.